Hi, this is David from Smart World. We're going to install the App2CAr into a Pioneer DMH25350BT, so you can stream videos like Netflix, Amazon Prime, and install any app from Google Store on your car radio. So what we're going to do is, here's the device. We're just going to install it in the USB port, and I'm doing this installation on a company who sells car radios, just to test with Pioneer radios. And we just wait for the unit is now working, and here we go. It's reading the unit, and it's gonna show the welcome page.
So we do the decks. Speakers are pretty shit. We don't do much of the speakers.
It's being recognized by the Pioneer unit. And from here, what we're gonna do is it says you please do not watch videos while you drive, and then you go to settings. Make sure you are connected to your mobile phone.
But if you want something sounding
yeah, it's connected now. You hotspot the data, the Wi-Fi. Then we're gonna go to more apps. Watch Netflix. We're gonna watch some Netflix movies here. We have Netflix installed, and also with my Netflix login and password. And I'm just gonna wait a few seconds until Netflix is loading up into the unit.
The continuous rating is what you need to look at. So where it says RMS,
here we go. Just gonna apply this this movie.
Yeah. So these can go up to 100. But again,
and there we go. It's playing right now. And we're not gonna have sound right now because we are testing only the unit. But you can see that the music is gonna come from your car radio stereo without a problem. So it's working, and as you can see with this unit, you can do multiple things. You can install many apps from Google Play Store, or you can watch videos while you drive. You can also have, if you have a USB stick with videos, you can use this USB drive to plug and play and watch videos as well. If you want to hear more about App2CAr and how to use it on Pioneer, just go to www.smartworldcompany.com.